channel. So today I will be preparing for you all restaurant style appetizers that you can prepare at home. My friend from Germany asked that I make a vegan friendly meal that is kid friendly and delicious. So if you all would like to see how I prepare this vegan friendly appetizer, join me and let's cook. So the first item that we will prepare will be a roasted eggplant dip. So please make sure you wash your eggplant. Then with the point of a knife, we will prick the skin of the eggplant. We will dress it with olive oil, season it with salt and pepper, roast it in the oven at 500 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until tender. While the eggplant is in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and get started with some other items that will go along with our vegan appetizer. So we will be caramelizing red onions and sauteing some red and yellow bell peppers along with button mushrooms. While we're waiting on our onions to finish caramelizing, let's go ahead and get started on our mushrooms. So now it's time to peel our eggplant. Alright, so now it's time to finish off our sauteed bell peppers. And you just want to saute it until the bell peppers are tender. So we're about done here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with some balsamic vinegar straight from Italy. Thank you, my friend. You know who you are. Thank you for getting me this. So I'm just going to finish it off with a drizzle right over. And some fresh thyme. And we're just going to do a good mix. And we will be good to go. Oh my God. Wow. This is perfect. You can taste all the spices in there, fresh thyme, and the balsamic. It is perfect and it's ready to go. Time to taste. So I assembled a few variations of how you all can assemble this vegan appetizer and kid friendly. So the first one I'm going to start off with is the pepper mixture with the red pepper and the yellow peppers. It's perfect. The eggplant, it's really silky, flavorful. You have the hint of the cinnamon. You have the pinch of the spice, and then don't forget that balsamic vinegar from Italy. Wow, that finishes that dish. All right, so the next one I'm going to try are the mushrooms with the Chardonnay. That's delicious. So I used baby portobello mushrooms, and portobello mushrooms has a meaty flavor to it. So right there you have the meatiness of the portobello mushrooms, and everything just goes very well together with the eggplant as the base for that one. And now I'm going to try, this one is with both the mushrooms and the peppers. It's like so many flavors right now are going on in my mouth. It is so delicious. So please try these vegan friendly dishes and kid friendly dishes that you can prepare at home. So thank you to my friend in Germany for giving me this idea. So if you all have any other ideas, please let me know in the comments below. And if you all do try this recipe, please let me know. If you have any questions, let me know as well. So thank you all so much for your support. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, take care. Bye.